Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by filling the water tank to the max line. This ensures steady pressure and extraction. Once done, power the machine and wait 20 to 30 seconds for the boiler to reach brewing temperature. Next, lift the head, place a single Nespresso capsule centrally, and close the head firmly until it clicks. This seals the capsule for proper puncture and pressure. Make sure the cup is under the spout so the shot lands cleanly. You're ready to brew now. You choose espresso or lungo, depending on whether you want roughly 40 ml or 110 ml. This controls shot volume and strength. Press the chosen button once and watch the extraction. A proper espresso flows for about 20 to 30 seconds and produces a golden crema because of correct pressure and temperature. If the stream runs too fast or the crema is pale, stop and check capsule placement or water level. Make adjustments so the machine maintains steady pressure for consistent flavor. You finish by lifting the head to eject the used capsule into the internal bin. Empty that bin regularly to avoid jams. Then, rinse the drip tray and wipe the head. Once a week, run 1 to 2 water-only cycles to flush oils and keep flow consistent. If you encounter no heat or poor flow, first confirm the tank has water, then descale if scale buildup is likely, and finally reset power. This sequence fixes most common faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.